What if tonight you realized you were dreaming? And no, it's not your weird socks messing with you. Your brain has a hidden cheat code. It's called lucid dreaming. And once you notice it, you could fly, teleport, or even face your wildest fears. Lucid dreaming happens when your brain wakes up, while your body stays asleep. Suddenly, you're the author of your own story. And yes, some people even manage to make their pets appear. No vet required. Scientists believe lucid dreaming is tied to self-awareness. During REM sleep, parts of your brain wake up just enough to realize, hey, this is a dream. But your body stays safely asleep. It's like hacking reality without leaving your bed. Lucid dreaming isn't just fun. It can help rehearse skills, spark creativity, or face recurring nightmares. But push too hard, and you risk waking up constantly, or even sleep paralysis. Powerful stuff, but respect your mind's rules. Now, you don't need to wait for some magical guide. You can experiment tonight. First, keep a dream journal. Second, try a reality check. Finally, set a simple intention before bed. Your subconscious listens, and yes, your cat could make a cameo. Lucid dreaming can feel like magic, but it's a skill anyone can learn. The real question is, once you're aware in your dream, what would you do first? Fly? Confront a fear? Meet someone impossible? Drop it in the comments. Maybe someone else is dreaming it too. Until then, may your dreams stay strange.